This isn't just a coupe. This is AMG's latest evolution, a bold step where luxury meets raw power. You're looking at the 2025 Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 Coupe, a machine engineered to deliver performance, precision, and prestige in a single beautiful package. Today, we take you deep into every curve, every bolt, and every thrilling second behind the wheel. Let's start with why this car even exists. Mercedes decided to replace both the C-Class and E-Class coupes with a single nameplate, the CLE. The goal? Combine the athletic proportions of a C-Class with the comfort and refinement of the E-Class. And when AMG takes over, the result is the CLE 53, a performance coupe that balances aggression with everyday elegance. Under the hood sits a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six, but this isn't just any six-cylinder. It's been massaged by AMG and enhanced with a 48-volt mild hybrid system and an electric auxiliary compressor. What that means is nearly instant power, zero turbo lag, and a surge of acceleration that feels electric in every sense of the word. You're getting 443 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque, with short bursts pushing net torque even higher. 0 to 60? Just about 4 seconds. And it doesn't stop pulling until you hit a limited 155 miles per hour, or 168 if you add AMG's Dynamic Plus package. That power flows through a 9-speed AMG speedshift transmission, slick, responsive, and controlled entirely by you if you want it. It's matched to AMG's 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, which can send all the power to the rear wheels for sideways fun, or distribute it intelligently for precision and grip. But the real magic happens when you drive it. The CLE 53 feels light on its feet thanks to active rear axle steering. At low speeds, it turns tighter than a hatchback. At high speeds, it stays planted like a grand tourer. The adaptive suspension adjusts by the millisecond, reading the road and adjusting damping to suit your style, soft and plush when you want to cruise, tight and focused when you hit the twisties. Outside, it looks every bit the part. Wide stance. Muscular fenders. A long, sculpted hood that hides all that power. The AMG grille is finished with vertical slats, flanked by aggressive intakes and a sharp front splitter. Around back, quad exhaust tips and a subtle ducktail spoiler let you know it's built to move. This isn't styling for the sake of looks, it's form built around function. Step inside, and you enter a space that's equal parts cockpit and lounge. Digital everything. A massive 12.3-inch display behind the wheel and an 11.9-inch vertical touchscreen in the center, all powered by Mercedes' MBUX infotainment system. With just your voice or a swipe of your finger, you control everything from ambient lighting in 64 colors, to the seat massage, to the augmented reality navigation that overlays directions directly onto the real world through your windshield. The materials are next level. Nappa leather, carbon fiber, aluminum trim. Optional Burmester 3D surround sound that makes your favorite song feel like a concert in motion. The seats don't just hold you, they hug you, heat you, cool you, and keep you comfortable through every mile. And yes, it's practical too. For a coupe, the back seats are surprisingly usable, and the trunk offers enough space for a weekend away. You're not sacrificing luxury for speed here, you're getting both. Plus, safety tech comes standard. You've got adaptive cruise, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, everything you need to feel in control, even when you're just commuting. Now let's talk price. The CLE 53 starts around $75,000 in the US, but most builds, especially with performance and luxury packages, will land you in the low to mid-80s. That puts it in direct competition with the BMW M440i, Audi S5, and Lexus RCF. But the CLE brings more power, a more refined interior, and arguably, a more balanced driving experience than any of them. And if you're someone who craves even more, buckle up. The CLE 63 is coming. Rumors suggest a twin-turbo V8 with over 580 horsepower, track-focused suspension, and AMG's most aggressive tuning yet. It'll take the foundation built by the CLE 53 and turn it into a full-blown monster. But even without the V8, the CLE 53 delivers something special. It's powerful, but not punishing. Sporty, but still sophisticated. A coupe that can thrill on Sunday and commute in comfort on Monday. So, whether you're looking for a performance car with a civilized side or a luxury coupe that can scare supercars, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 might just be the sweet spot. This is where AMG passion meets Mercedes precision. This is the new CLE 53. And once you drive it, you'll understand it's not just a car. It's a statement.